You have a man, Mafiah Suggz though.
Do it, let me see.
You don't know.
You don't know, see the Mafiah Suggz.
You have a man, Mike
Lawrence.
Lawrence.
I go tell you the art of war, the real part of war. You don't know me, I go tell you it going on. You hear me no John. Lord, you know. You don't know, say a bad man sitting. Yo.
War attack me now step back. Fool watch yak. You make the first move like USA versus Iraq. Ammunition me strap with nothing on me backpack. Plus me Glock me ever strap from me waist to me sack.
The wildest niggas know me. The OG who OD with no Cody. I'm what they call a golden OD. Bonafide, certified, ride or die, nigga. I swear lil me. His blood run through my veins literally. I'm bout it, nigga. Test me in the art of war and get out it, nigga. Literally bout it, nigga. Wrong nigga to fuck with, got all elements covered. So nigga duck quick, I'm a troublemaker, nigga suck dick. Since you are what you eat for fame, that's what you fuck with, that's you, my nigga. Get your diet right, or catch me tiptoeing creeping on a quiet night. Come on, read a nigga the riot right. Guns only kill if they fire right with the right intent. Don't get it bent. Niggas think they real, but they really hesitant in a terrible place. Niggas face to face, I wanna rock them like I am raw bass. But I'ma chill though, chop y'all ass, fuck boy. With a dildo, your man bout to fix you with the do and the shit. Choose your team with caution, show them sleeves full of trick. Cause niggas are switched, don't think click won't snitch. Only fuck with wolves, that'll stick to the script. With heads on their shoulders so they can count them chips. That know not the damn puff piff in the whip. Down whole cheek work, like that's my bitch. Keeping money, no dick, that bitch won't snitch. Only fuck with a down ass bitch. Don't ever get money with a clown ass bitch. You know, let's go. Message for the year, we gon' get it in. Let's get it. True rude boy, this shit.
Real check.
You don't know.
This a war you can't end. Me no business who you send. Coulda wanted men, haunted men, me we kill them. Shoot them, hang them, bad man no beg friend. This a war then, them boy your life I go shot them. This a war you can't end. Me no business who you send. Coulda wanted men, haunted men, me we kill them. Shoot them, hang them, bad man no beg friend. This a war then, them boy your life I go shot them. Watch your walk, man know you talk. Shotty bite you like shot. When copper shot a flight, come me like Atlanta act. No try hide in a the dark. I ya doggy start back. Mickey Mac, me bad a J.A. and not only New York. From Fifth World to Boston Park. Waterford no Skylark. Big gun me rush you with nobody think a knife and fork. Me gun rap like Bubbles Pop. Pop head like champagne cock. Frack run no time out. The marrow white like a chalk.
Blood clot, Mike Lawrence, J. Rooney, John, and Mafiah Suggz. Don't know Dracula scream. This is the team.